P90X with Jack and Ed. Go stomp, Ed. Stomp.
Squats.
You can do your squats? Do it. Ugh, good. Ugh.
Good.
Ugh.
Oh.
Now what? What comes after squats?
This.
Stretches? Okay. There you go. You look good. You got your gear on. Ed, what are you doing? Stomping?
Eddie got you on your exercise carpet.
He's got to stay on his feet first. There you go, Ed. Stretch him out.
All right,
That's
Jack. Jack, do some stretches.
Like that.
Oh, outside knees. Good job.
Yeah, there you go, Ed. All the way to the ground. Oh.
Good runner stretch, Jack. Very good. All right. What else? Do some crunches?
No?
No? That's it, Ed. Stretch the hand. Do your punches.
Punch, punch.
Now do
Oh, you
this,
like this one,
guys.
What?
Now do this. Go
Do
back
jumping
and
jacks?
forth. No?
All right. You can do a little more stretches?
Go. Go back and forth.
Back and forth.
Do this.
What do you call that one?
It's called the rubber test back and forth.
The what?
The rubber test back.
Rubber cast back and forth?
All right. I think it's time for a cool down, and then we're going to bed. So why don't you do your cool down
Yeah,
stretches?
do your cool down.
Gotta stretch your neck and your arms. All right. Grab your foot. Remember, stretch like this. There you go. Good. Stretch those quads. Good. Good. Nice balance.
Now jump.
Jump.
Ed, what's that one called?
It's called play hide and seek exercise.
Called the KKK?
It's called a hide and seek exercise.
Oh, hide and seek exercise.
And don't get my way. Over here's my TV.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay.
All right, are we all done?
Not yet.
Forward and backwards. Forward and backwards. Good job. How come you're not wearing any pants while you exercise?
Yeah, how come you're not wearing pants?
Why not?